Good morning, folks. Welcome to another edition of Thunderhaven Farm and Sawmill. I'm gonna mill a 6.5 by 7.5 can out of a pine log this morning, and just give folks out there an idea how I do it and how I mark off my log. And let's go ahead and get started. Here are the tools that I use to mark my logs with. It's just a simple torpedo level or a 2-foot level, depending on the size of the log, and it's plain old tape measure and a Sharpie. And I usually just lay it out and mark it to the pith, from the pith in the center of the log to the outskirts of where I'm going to make my beam. Now this is the layout I have on this pine log. This is a yellow pine. It's been cut about 3 months. And this is how I've got it laid out: 6.5 wide and 7.5 tall. Little off center, but the way the log's got a bow in it, I have to go with it with that. Okay, folks, here you go. Got it right here, and we got 7 5/8, 7 5/8, 6 1/2, and 6 1/2. Pretty nice looking beam. Gonna use it for my stand to put my logs on to roll them onto the sawmill. And stick around, because there's gonna be more to come. Thank you.